Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're doing a yabo, and that's what's going on at Noah's house. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the bench. It is a utter mess down here. I did plan on, making a video out on the deck because I did a tobacco review, which if you didn't see it already, here's a card. I never know what way, but anyways. So I'm back down at the bench today because, well, it's pouring down rain and it's a little chilly outside. It's not the cold, but it's the pouring down rain. I mean, serious rain. But today I'm going to do a yabo, which, in all honesty, I had no idea what yabo even meant. So I had to look it up. I don't know all these things and acronyms. But here it is, a yabo. Yet another box opening. Pretty cool saying that. So we're down on the bench today, and this is a box opening. And before I go any further, this was kind of inspired. A shout out to Parsimonious Piper. If you guys don't know who he is on YouTube, definitely look him up. He's a great pipe guy. Collects really beautiful estate pipes. Always does great tobacco reviews. Seems like a pretty cool guy down in North Carolina, I do believe. But I will put his name like right about here or what have you. And I'll put a link to his YouTube channel down below. But he did put out an estate pipe buying series, which I found very helpful because I don't really know what to look for. What am I doing? Stuff like that. So I looked at his series, so I decided I'm going to jump into it. And I went to Etsy and I looked at some pipes. I got 3 pipes, 2 Rossi pipes, and 1 Ehrlich. And I did not buy pipes that needed refurbished. I didn't buy pipes that needed any cleaning up or anything. I didn't go down that route yet, but I did buy 3 estate pipes that are clean, they're sanitized, the bowls were rimmed, everything was done. Actually, 2 of them I do believe were unsmoked. But I did buy them off of Etsy. This is the first time I've ever done anything like this on Etsy with estate pipes. And I got all 3 for, I do believe, $107. And then there was tax and shipping. Anyway, I got the camera kind of on an angle. I don't have it over there. A mirror program. And just, if anybody's wondering, I am smoking a pipe. It is a Sunday morning. Like I said, it is very rainy. I am smoking my Neil Monnier Artisan pipe, and I am smoking some Peter Stokkebye's Luxury Twist Flake because I like it. And this is a great pipe for flake tobacco, I've come to find. And, it's, yeah, flake tobacco. So, on with the box opening. So, I did a little slice right there. Let's see what we have. And this is the shop that I bought it from. They do have a lot of nice stuff. I will leave a link, here we go, to their Etsy store. If I can figure out how to do a link to an Etsy store, I'll leave it in the description, which I think I could probably figure that out. So, 3 pipes. The first one is the Ehrlich. There's Ehrlich on it, has a little E on the stem right there. See if you can see that. I'm not really sure if you can, a little dark. There it is. That's all it says is Ehrlich. I do believe that this is a pipe made in England. I'm not real sure. Didn't do a lot of research on that. But it is a very, very deep bowl, if you can see that. And I do like the deeper bowls. But it is, it did come, and they did say that it had a blemish on it. I'm not sure if you can see that blemish on there. Probably not, but it's just a tiny nick. I mean, it's wood. That's what happens with wood. So I have that one. Very nice. And then I have this nice fella right here, and this is a Rossi made in Italy. Very nice color. I do like that Ehrlich's color. Ooh, that's pretty sweet. And there's a little bit of bumps and bruises on the bottom, but I do believe that this one is unsmoked. There you go. I'll show you that guy. Everybody puts their hands behind here. I don't know why. I should probably block it from the top. Look at this big light up here. There you go. It's a rather nice one. That guy. Oh, doesn't that look professional? And I have one more. And accuracy, I did open the box yesterday when it came because I was very excited. And it did come with the stems separated from the pipes. Always remember, if you're going to send a pipe out, excuse me, if you're going to send a pipe out to get repaired or anything like that, always take your stems off and wrap them separately, because if you follow Rad Piper on Rad Pipes on Instagram, he'll post once in a while people who send him pipes to get worked on, and just the nature of the beast with shipping, it'll be broken. But he can also fix that. And I got this nice little bent guy. This is another Rossi, and I do believe this one was unsmoked too. It has a nice deep bowl as well, real nice finish. It does have, you know, little nicks, little wear on it, but the rim looks great. Oh wow, look at that! That's beautiful. It's a little smaller than its buddy here. These are billiards. I do seem to like the billiards, and this is a little bent. I don't know shapes and sizes, but I'm pretty happy with everything. I'm gonna give this Ehrlich guy a smoke soon enough. I am gonna get some pipe cleaners with some alcohol, probably just to run them through there, just to, you know, a little bit of peace of mind. But once again, I want to say thank you to Ethan, Parsimonious Piper, for putting out the estate pipe buying guide. It's a series of 3 or 4 videos at this point, and I know he's going to keep on going because he has other information, and he buys a lot of estate pipes. I think he buys a lot off of eBay, and I think he does some Etsy too. But like I said, I will leave a link to these guys in the description, and I'm gonna pack me up a bowl, and I'm real happy about this. I'm gonna clean these guys up a little bit. But like I said, 3 pipes, very nice pipes. The Rossis and Ehrlich, which I'm gonna have to do a little research on Ehrlich. Just curious about them now. But I'm gonna say under $100, well, 107. So let's say around $100. And then with shipping and taxes, I think it ended up being $125. Came in a couple days. It shipped very nice, all that. But hey, I'm happy. I just wanted to show you a yabo. I like just saying yabo. You made it this far in the video. Hey, thanks for all my subscribers. I'm over 300 right now, and that's great. And this video, maybe video 100. I think it's going to be video 100. Hey, getting up there. But hey, like, subscribe, share the video around. Thanks for watching. This is Noah. That's all I have. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.